The dire wolf, a legendary predator of the Ice Age, vanished from the Earth thousands of years ago. These powerful hunters, larger than any wolf alive today, roamed alongside mammoths and saber-toothed cats. Their imposing size and bone-crushing bite made them apex predators of their time. But their reign ended, leaving only fossils and legends behind. Now, in a scientific feat once confined to science fiction, the dire wolf walks among us once more. Colossal Biosciences, a pioneering company at the forefront of de-extinction, has brought back this ancient predator from the abyss of extinction. This groundbreaking achievement marks a turning point in our relationship with the natural world, offering a glimmer of hope in an era of unprecedented biodiversity loss. The implications of this breakthrough are far-reaching, touching upon fields as diverse as genetics, conservation, and ethics. The successful de-extinction of the dire wolf is not merely a scientific curiosity, it's a powerful testament to human ingenuity and a bold step towards restoring ecological balance. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's crucial to understand the science, the implications, and the potential of this remarkable accomplishment. Colossal Biosciences' achievement is embodied in three remarkable pups: Romulus, Remus, and Colossal. Born in late 2024 and early 2025, these pups represent the first dire wolves to walk the Earth in millennia. Their births, meticulously documented and celebrated globally, marked a pivotal moment in the field of de-extinction. Romulus and Remus, the elder pups at 6 months old, are already exhibiting the hallmarks of their extinct ancestors. Towering at nearly 4 feet long and weighing in at a hefty 80 pounds, they are noticeably larger than their grey wolf counterparts. Their projected adult size is even more impressive, with estimates suggesting that they could reach up to 6 feet in length and weigh a staggering 150 pounds. Their behavior, too, hints at their wild lineage. Despite being raised in a controlled environment, they display a natural caution and aloofness around humans, even those who have cared for them since birth. This inherent wariness, a hallmark of their predatory instincts, underscores the importance of responsible rewilding efforts. Colossal, the youngest of the trio at 2 months old, is still under close observation. Her development, eagerly monitored by Colossal's team of experts, will provide further insights into the behavior and adaptability of these resurrected predators. The de-extinction of the dire wolf was a monumental task, requiring a complex interplay of cutting-edge genetic engineering and meticulous reproductive biology. Colossal Biosciences' team of scientists embarked on this journey by first deciphering the genetic blueprint of this long-extinct predator. Ancient DNA painstakingly extracted from a 13,000-year-old tooth and a 72,000-year-old skull provided the genetic Rosetta Stone. This ancient genetic material, fragmented and degraded by time, was meticulously pieced together to reconstruct the dire wolf's genome. With the dire wolf genome in hand, scientists turned to the closely related grey wolf as a genetic template. Using CRISPR technology, a revolutionary gene editing tool, they made precise modifications to the grey wolf genome, aligning 14 key genes with their dire wolf counterparts. This intricate genetic dance did not involve directly splicing ancient dire wolf DNA. Instead, existing variations within the grey wolf genome were carefully selected and edited to match the dire wolf's genetic code. This approach, designed to minimize potential risks, ensured the creation of a wolf that closely mirrored its extinct ancestor while relying on existing genetic diversity. Section 4. Reviving ecosystems. The promise of de-extinction. The de-extinction of the dire wolf transcends mere scientific curiosity. It represents a powerful tool for conservation and ecological restoration. As the planet grapples with an unprecedented biodiversity crisis, driven by habitat loss, climate change, and human encroachment, innovative approaches are needed to stem the tide of extinction. Colossal Biosciences envisions a future where de-extinction plays a pivotal role in revitalizing struggling ecosystems. The reintroduction of carefully selected species like the dire wolf could help restore balance to ecosystems disrupted by human activity. Dire wolves, as apex predators, played a crucial role in regulating prey populations in their ancient ecosystems. Their reintroduction into carefully selected habitats could help control overgrazing, reduce disease transmission, and promote biodiversity. This ecological ripple effect could extend far beyond the dire wolf itself. By restoring balance to one part of the ecosystem, a cascade of positive effects could reverberate throughout the food web. Plants, herbivores, and other predators could all benefit from the presence of this resurrected predator. Section 5. The ethical tightrope of bringing back species. The de-extinction of the dire wolf, while a scientific triumph, also raises profound ethical questions that demand careful consideration. The ability to bring back extinct species forces us to grapple with our responsibility to the natural world and the potential consequences of our actions. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the welfare of the resurrected animals themselves. Introducing a species into an environment that has changed significantly since its extinction raises concerns about their adaptability, survival, and potential impact on existing species. Another ethical consideration is the potential for unintended consequences. Reintroducing a predator like the dire wolf could have unforeseen impacts on existing ecosystems. While careful planning and monitoring can mitigate some risks, the complexity of ecological interactions makes it impossible to predict all potential outcomes. The allocation of resources also presents an ethical dilemma. De-extinction projects are resource-intensive endeavors, requiring significant financial investments and scientific expertise. Critics argue that these resources could be more effectively directed towards conserving existing endangered species. Section 6. Colossal's vision, a future where extinction is optional. Colossal Bioscience's de-extinction efforts extend far beyond the dire wolf. The company has set its sights on bringing back a diverse array of extinct species, each carefully chosen for its potential ecological benefits and scientific value. Among their ambitious goals is the resurrection of the woolly mammoth, an iconic Ice Age giant that captivated the imagination for centuries. Colossal believes that reintroducing mammoths to the Arctic tundra could help combat climate change by slowing permafrost thaw. Another target is the thylacine, also known as the Tasmanian tiger, a unique marsupial predator that went extinct in the 20th century. Bringing back the thylacine could help restore balance to the Tasmanian ecosystem, where its absence has left a void. Colossal's vision is not merely to resurrect individual species, but to develop a comprehensive de-extinction toolkit applicable to a wide range of plants and animals. This toolkit would encompass genetic engineering, reproductive technologies, and ecological expertise, enabling the targeted revival of species with the greatest potential for ecological restoration. Section 7. Beyond the dire wolf. A world of de-extinction possibilities. The successful de-extinction of the dire wolf has opened a Pandora's box of possibilities, fundamentally altering our relationship with extinction. What was once considered irreversible is now within the realm of possibility, raising both hopes and concerns about the future of life on Earth. The potential benefits of de-extinction are vast. By bringing back carefully selected species, we could restore damaged ecosystems, enhance biodiversity, and even develop novel solutions to pressing environmental challenges, like climate change. However, the ethical and ecological implications of de-extinction cannot be overstated. The decision to bring back a species should not be taken lightly, and careful consideration must be given to animal welfare, ecological risks, and the allocation of resources. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, open and transparent dialogue is essential. Scientists, ethicists, policy